Good morning, everybody. It is your girl Smiley Quanta, and I am here today with a different video. As you all know, tax season is upon us, and people get a little crazy. People want to claim people kids. People want to just do things that are not right. So guess what, guys? Class is in session. Princeton. I want to just give a little bit of advice to all my young entrepreneurs, everyone who are working from home, anyone who is making money on YouTube or any other social media websites. Just some key information that you may not know, and then some of you may know but may not know how to go about handling the situation. So 3 of the biggest things are deductions, which you can deduct and which you cannot deduct. Another topic that I am going to talk about is estimated taxes. You can actually go ahead and pay in on your taxes throughout the year instead of ended up owing. You feel me? And also receipts. Receipts, y'all. Keep your receipts. First thing I'm going to talk about is what is earned income. Earned income is received for services performed. That means you did a video for their product, they paid you. That is earned income. You shot them out on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram and they paid you. That is services performed. Now, an example, when a company sends you their hair and they do not pay you to shot it out, that's a tax deduction for them. That is not a tax deduction for you, and that is not income from you. That is just you getting free shit. Let's be for real. I want some free shit. But just to say, they sent that to you, that is a write-off for them, not for you. So, hey, everybody got to make a living. Unearned income. A few examples of unearned income is investment property, interest and dividends in your bank account, unemployment compensation, alimony. Those are examples of unearned income. You are not performing a service to get that stuff. Well, you did perform a service in your marriage, but you get what I'm saying? Alimony is not earned income. It is unearned income. So the reason why I say to keep your receipt, if you have a good following here on YouTube and you are pulling in a decent amount of income and you like to do giveaways and you purchase the stuff with your money, you can deduct that. You can deduct, I bought this new lip gloss. I'm promoting it. I bought it. If I make money from YouTube and I put that on the receipt, I can deduct that. If I went and bought this whole outfit to do a get ready with me video or outfit of the day video because I am using it to show my fan base, then I put the links below and I make money from that video, I keep my receipt so I can deduct that. When you are showing stuff, when you are purchasing stuff with your own money and you are getting income from doing so without any extra help, you can deduct that. So another thing is a 1099 miscellaneous. Most of you who are working with third parties or being an ambassador for certain companies, some of them don't do the standard W-2. Like when you work a 9-to-5 job, you get a W-2 at the end of the year. You will get a 1099 miscellaneous. You need to pay taxes on that 1099 because most companies will not take the tax out. And if you are 18 out there and you don't work any other job other than YouTube, you're going to be screwed because at the end of the year, when you go to file your taxes, you're going to be like, why do I owe? You owe because you didn't pay taxes on that $1,400. Yes, that was your only income and you did not pay taxes on it. Don't expect the employer to ask you if you want them to take taxes out. 9 times out of 10, they won't. So estimated taxes are on form 1040-ES. You can go to the IRS website and you can print it out. You can PDF it and you can fill it out and mail the amount, mail the check to the IRS. At the end of the year, you are covered. You already paid in on your taxes on that amount of income. Now, another smart way to do it is see what you made last year. If you're doing the same thing, home business, entrepreneur, see how much money you made last year and do 10% of that amount. Break it up into 4 so you know how much you need to pay each quarter to pay in on your taxes. So at the end of the year, you might not owe a lot. You may owe a little bit, or you may break even. Okay, and so another thing what 1099 miscellaneous are, people who are working, you can get an EIN number. An EIN number is just like a substitute for your social. Instead of just sending your social to different companies, get an EIN number. It is also tracked by your social security number, but you don't just have to willy-nilly give your social security number to any company who wants to issue you a 1099. Apply for a free EIN number on the IRS website, and you can give them that number, and that way everything is tracked the same way, just like your social, with income coming in. Let's talk about expenses you can deduct. When you get into advertising, if you pay somebody to advertise your channel or your website, or you pay somebody to do a logo, you can deduct those expenses. Office expenses, supplies, you bought that new table, you bought that makeup desk, you bought that mirror, that light, supplies, that's can be deducted. Come on, people, let's just wake up and realize that we don't have to fraud the system. We do stuff the right way, and we'll get everything we deserve. Basically, don't try to fraud the system. Just do what you need to do, because I'm the one who works in the office during the summertime, and I see you coming in there crying because you don't know where this income coming from. But you know you got that 1099 at home. Let's be for real. Let's be for real. Another thing, license. If you have to get licensed to do a certain job and you had to pay for that license, you can deduct that. That is like expenses you can deduct with your. Now, it has to be business related. If you had to take a certification test for YouTube, for Carol's daughter, for anybody, you can deduct that license expenses. Travel expenses. You travel in the beauty con on your own dime and ain't nobody paying you to go out there, you can deduct those expenses, because that is part of your business. You want to be there. Ain't nobody paying you to be there yet, but you want to be there. You want to meet others. You want to go out to lunch with other YouTubers. You take them out to lunch. Save that receipt, because that's part of your business. Networking, your business meeting, business lunch, business expenses. So if you didn't take anything away from this video, I want you to just save your receipts, please, people. Save your receipts. They will come in handy. When you get something, buy something, just highlight whatever you're using for your video and save it. Throw it in a box. Save the receipts. I keep my receipts up to 3 months sometimes, even if it has nothing to do with what I'm doing. I just like to keep receipts. You never know when that one item is gonna be the end of its row, or it's gonna mess up, or you just didn't open that shirt from 3 months ago and then you finally go to wear it and it has a hole in it. Save your receipts. So I hope you guys learned something today. Again, this was class in session with Smiley Quanta. I hope you can take something away from this.